I'm gonna like die because this chair is like, it's not being very nice today. What up, peeps? This is TheBirdzNest. Yeah. I'm Hardcore Sparrow, and today we're gonna check out what's in this box. Got this box from Parrot. Awesome company, putting out some awesome stuff. This is one of those awesome stuff. Judging from the description title, the video title. This is the Rolling Spider mini drone. So let's cut to the chit chat. Let's cut scenes to the unboxing. You know what? Let's just go. Alright, we got a box. Very, very, very nice box. If I don't say so myself. Gonna cut into it. Some very, very nice cuts. Then unfold flats. Got 1, 2 to go. One more. Golden. Alright, we got some stuff in here. Throw that over there. Grab this. Nothing. Okay, the magic. The box. Ooh, pretty pictures. Parrot mini drone. What else do we have in here? Got some paper that you don't need to see. And we got a battery because extra batteries are always nice. Alright, throw that box over there. Grab this knife, don't want to get anyone hurt. Alright, so here's all the things that came in the box. Got the drone, what I'm assuming is a drone, spare batteries, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's jump into this. Got a seal that we need to cut. Grab the knife. The nice, very nice. Ooh, gonna lift this flap up. Ooh, pretty. We got some sort of wheel thing up top and drone down the bottom. I'm liking this wheel thing. I want to go for the drone first, but it's not happening. I have to grab this whole thing out. And fill out the battery. Is that really how it recorded? I'm gonna pull out some stuff. I'm liking this drone. It looks kinda cool. Ooh, pull it out. That was quite difficult to pull out, I'm not gonna lie. Grab this cable from the back. It is a micro USB cable, in case you were wondering. Got some packaging. What is manuals? And is this stickers? Got stickers, guys. We got stickers. Alright, now we've got this wheel thing. How do I take this out? Oh! I got it. Look at that. Throw that over there. And go for the other one. Random shot of my hair. Oh, that's funny. Okay. So, we're done with this. You know, gotta close it properly. There's one last look at the drone. Some stuff it can, the box from the drone. Got some indoor, outdoor, up to 11 miles per hour. Range of 20 meters. It does flips. Control it with your smartphone. And it's Bluetooth smart. Smart, smart. Okay. What else? Some other stuff that are kind of interesting, but I'm just gonna let you look at because got some. The box does feel nice. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what it is, but it just feels nice. Maybe it's just me. Alright, so you can download the app in the App Store or Google Play, and in the Windows Store. Is that what they're calling it? The Windows Store? They have a beta version that kinda works. I tried it out on, I have a Windows phone that I tried it out on, and it didn't really, like, it connected to the drone. But sometimes when I told it to do stuff, it didn't do stuff. I don't know if it was me or it being windy. I don't know. But anyways. Now let's have a little look-see. Look-see at the drone. Alright, gonna grab this, gonna grab that, put the battery in. Now, which way does it go? Which way do you go, Mr. Battery? Forget the battery, let's look at the drone. It looks cool. I mean, it's a drone, it's a quadcopter. It has four blades. I mean, what else could you ask for? Alright, so this is the rolling spider. So it came with some wheels. I'm just gonna figure out how you put them on in the pictures. Okay, we got something here. One moment, please. Boom! We did it. Got some wheels on it. Some spinny wheels. Speaking of phone, you do need to install the app. The application. And so, it's called Free Flight 3. You type that in. You can just type Free Flight. And then you tap it. You tap the install button. Hit accept. And this is on Android, of course. It's gonna download, and then after what? Two seconds? No. It's like, let's see. It's like 10 seconds. 10 seconds? I think it's like 10 seconds. You gotta install. Yeah, this is more than 10 seconds. 20 seconds maybe? I don't know. Okay, there we go. So, I'm gonna open it up. And this is what the application looks like. It looks very snazzy if I don't say so myself. When you're not connected to anything, it plays a video, and when you are connected to something, it does something else. Hey, so the drone has like pressure sensor. It got a whole bunch of sensors. This thing is smart. Like, this thing is a smart drone. Let me tell you why. It has a pressure sensor for measuring like altitude, so you can set it to not like an imaginary ceiling that it can't go higher than. And it also has the thing on the bottom of it. It's not a speaker. It's what I thought it was. Well, I guess it's kind of a speaker. It's a ultrasonic thing, so it can shoot sounds to the ground and measure how far away it is, something like that. And then it has a camera on the bottom of it for your dronies, and it is also used to see the ground. If the drone is drifting, it sort of tells the drone, "Hey bro." Drone's like, "What's up bro, how's it going?" And the camera's like, "Bro, you're going to the right 0.01 miles per hour. Drone is like, I got you, bruh. And then drone like adjusts itself, adjusts itself. I cannot speak. So that it stops moving, and it's magic. I thought it was magic. I was like, how's this thing so steady? But yeah. Unfortunately, I did lose the drone over the lake. Yeah. In my mind, 20 meters was way too long. But I did learn something. Once it flies out of range, it just stands there and hovers until you can walk back up to it and get closer and then fly it again. Well, yeah, that's what it does. Alright guys, thanks for watching this review. You know, the Parrot mini drone, the rolling spider. There's also the jumping sumo, I think it's called. I'll maybe have a review on that one later. But other than that, we are over and out.